Renewable energy is becoming increasingly cost competitive. It can be locally produced, it can be distributed locally.
In our general national energy and energy security policy, renewable plays the important factor. Azerbaijan has been the energy hub for a very long time. Currently, we want to also do that for the green energy.
I think the renewables is the way forward for SOCAR and for the country as well. The fossil fuels, sooner or later, they will be decreasing. With the renewables, it's a different story.
Renewable energy at this moment is not considered as a solution for environmental challenges only, but it is also considered as an economic opportunity.
Azerbaijan has a vast renewable potential. It's actually advantages for Azerbaijan and for our climate roles. In 2023, we commissioned the 230 megawatt Garadagh Solar Power Plant, and another project which we already commissioned is a 240 megawatt Khizi-Absheron Wind Power Plant.
Clean energy can bring huge impact on the lives and livelihoods of the overall population by creating lots of jobs, by bringing lots of different kind of climate resilient livelihoods.